Rock garden plants. Discover, create, bloom. Did you know that the Mellifera, a tiny rock garden plant, needs watering after every 3 weeks? Cool, right? Rock garden plants are very low maintenance and unique. Therefore, today, we're diving into their world, discovering their secrets, and learning how you can create your very own rocky oasis. Let's explore the incredible world of rock garden plants, each with its unique charm and tenacity. First up, we have the creeping thyme, a fragrant carpet of pink and green foliage that spreads delightfully across the ground. Moving on, we have the snow in summer. It gets its name from its pristine white flowers that blanket the ground like a fresh snowfall. The plant is low-growing and can thrive in poor rocky or sandy soil. Next, meet the stonecrop, a succulent marvel that thrives in rocky crevices, showcasing its fleshy leaves with pride. The aubrietta, with its cascading flowers, adds an elegant touch, draping the rocks in hues of purple, pink, or white. Say hello to the versatile hens and chicks, forming charming rosettes that multiply and fill your garden with their unique beauty. Then there's the resilient ice plant, its succulent leaves shimmering in the sun. It is a short plant producing bright pink blooms, making it a perfect choice for rock gardens. The reticulated iris, with its delicate purple petals, resembles a painter's masterpiece. It's a small flower, growing only about 6 inches tall. Next up, we have the mountain alyssum. A carpet of golden blooms adorns rock gardens with tiny, fragrant flowers, like drops of sunshine against the green foliage. And don't forget the sedum, nature's succulent jewel. Sedums flaunt fleshy leaves in various hues, forming vibrant mats. Their star-shaped flowers paint the garden with hues of pink, red, or yellow. Have you seen the wood spurge? Elegant in simplicity, wood spurge displays clusters of chartreuse, blooms, and delicate leaves. Lastly, we have the lavender. Graceful spikes of purple or lilac blossoms adorn this aromatic herb. With its calming fragrance and vibrant color, lavender adds both beauty and tranquility to your garden. Now, it's time for you to bring the magic of rock garden plants into your own space. Creating your rock garden is a fantastic DIY project, and it's easier than you might think. Here's what you'll need. Number 1, rocks and pebbles. Find an assortment of rocks and pebbles in different shapes and sizes. These will be the foundation of your garden. Number 2, soil. Choose well-draining soil, perfect for your plants to thrive in. Number 3, plants. Select the rock garden plants that have the same watering requirements. Remember the ones we talked about today? They're perfect candidates for your garden. Number 4, gloves and tools. To keep your hands safe and make the planting process easier. Number 5, watering can. For giving your new garden the love and care it deserves. Now, let's dive into the steps. Step 1 is to choose your spot. Find a sunny area in your home or yard where your rock garden will get plenty of sunlight. Step 2 is to arrange the rocks, stones, and pebbles. To start, choose a suitable spot in your yard. Create a perimeter for the rock garden using larger stones outlining the space. Inside this boundary, arrange smaller rocks and pebbles creatively. Think about the shapes and sizes, creating little nooks and crannies for your plants. Step 3 is to plant your selection. Dig small holes for your plants, ensuring they have enough space to grow. Gently place your chosen plants into the holes and cover their roots with soil. Step 4 is to water and tend. Water your plants well, but be careful not to drown them. Regular watering and occasional pruning will keep your garden thriving. Step 5 is to enjoy your garden. Your rock garden is now ready to bloom. Watch as your chosen plants grow and transform your space into a miniature wonderland. So, what are you waiting for, little gardeners? Grab your rocks, pick your plants, and let your creativity flow. Happy gardening!
Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Ali and Bano, fun-filled education for young ones.